That's not good. So here it is, the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 edition, rated at 12 volts and 1000 amps. So this is when you charge up. This is a jump pack and also an emergency pack. It's pretty small, right? Doesn't weigh that much. It's nice to keep in your car for emergencies. And the nice part about it is that you can also use it to charge your phone, which is here, right? You have a USB port and you have another, micro USB for the charging of the actual product, and then you have the 12 volt adapter if you need it. In addition to that, it actually has a light bulb if you're stuck on the side of the road. It's pretty cool, right? Has a bunch of different options. It's kind of nice. This way, if you're ever stranded and you're actually in a real emergency, this will get someone's attention a lot faster, and hopefully they stop. But basically, I've never used this before. This is the first time, and we're gonna give it a go. So let's try it out. So this bite guard's pretty cool. It allows the clamps to bite together and kind of have a neater storage. But I did just read the instructions. I put in the actual adapter to this end. And now all I have to do is hook it up, and then we're ready to go. So now that we have everything on, basically I'm gonna go ahead and try to start it. So basically all you do is you press the power button. As you see though, it's only at 2 volts, and that's extremely low. So normally this is designed to start batteries that are 2 volts or higher. So since it's so low, it might not actually pick it up. So let's press the power button, right? Okay, white indicates good, means connections are good. So red to positive, black to negative. Always turn the power off before you disconnect these two, just as a precaution. And the fact that it's solid means that it's not really doing anything. So I actually have to go ahead and override this and basically force it to say, hey, I'm at a low enough charge, let's give it the juice. So let's hold this for 3 seconds. It should illuminate and it should start blinking. Okay, there you go, see? So now we're gonna go ahead and try to jump start the vehicle. See, it automatically jumped up to about 12. So let's give it a go. As you can see, the lights are on and it's finally working, whereas before it didn't. Okay, we got power. There we go. She's alive. She's alive. So as you can see, this thing is pretty sweet. And now the alternator is good, but it is jumping, so you gotta stop it. So you stop it, and then you're good to go. And it should even out somewhere in the mid 14s. And that means your alternator is good. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect them. And what you do is you disconnect negative to positive. So, like so, and like so. And that's pretty much it. So overall, this is actually really cool. As you can see, it jump started my vehicle, right? My Mustang was really low, had about 2 volts on it, haven't started in a while. This thing's pretty sweet, not gonna lie. So I think this would be an awesome Christmas gift to somebody, especially someone who likes to travel a lot. Maybe, they go to the wilderness a lot. The fact that it comes with all these features like the light and easy portability for charging and power supply for your phones, I think it's a big solid thumbs up. So I think it can be had right now for under $100. Walmart, Amazon, all the big, box stores. But yeah, on that note, hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.